Basics video. I hope you're all doing really well. In this one I'm going to be sharing with you how to cut multiple lengths of curling ribbon in a really quick and easy fashion. So these are the ribbon reels that we use in the shop, and when they're full they're about 500 meters thereabouts, and when you get them they come like this. This one's obviously being used quite a lot, so there's not much left on it, but they've got two black things on the spool and then a cardboard tube in the middle where the ribbon is wrapped around. But what I do is remove the top plastic section of the spool, because this just makes it feed off the spool a little bit easier. So all you're going to want to do is get your spool, take that top bit off, and then pop this down on the floor. Make sure that you've got no knots in your ribbon at all, and then we're ready to get started. So I'm just going to pop this down. The first thing to do is just grab your ribbon in your left hand and just maybe about a metre or so of tail hanging off, and then hold that in your thumb like so. Then pull out your arm to not all the way stretched out, but mostly. So then you'll be standing with your ribbon like this in your thumbs, and all you want to do is stretch your arm up and then catch that ribbon in your left hand. Do the same again, and then just keep going until you've got as many ribbons as you would like to cut in this section. So I'm just going to do a few to show you. So just keep going. It is a bit of an exercise workout, and we find that this length of ribbon to be about 1.5 meters is enough to put onto a latex balloon or for a bubble, and all the balloons that you've seen me do in previous videos will have this length of ribbon on them. The only thing really that this isn't suitable for is the additional streamers that we add. So there are our ribbons. I've just taken my left hand out and I'm still holding the ribbons in my right hand now, and I'm going to make sure that I don't move where I'm holding them, because I want to make sure that I cut them in the right spot. So that's what it's going to look like, a big length of curly ribbons. Just going to want to grab a pair of scissors then, and all you're going to do is just cut that through the top there, and then you can just let that go. Keep hold of one end, and then what you can do is just give them a really nice smooth out. And there's all your ribbons, and that probably took about 20 seconds to cut all of those. Obviously there are different methods, and this is just the way that I do it, but I've been doing this now like this for about 20 years almost, so it's definitely a tried and tested method. I hope you found this video to be useful. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out any more of my Balloon Basics videos that are going to be coming up really soon on this channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon for another one. Bye!